Cnmoulding, professional manufacturer of transparent plastic products for Cnmoulding is a specialized manufacturer of high-precision transparent plastic components for Our products are made from premium polycarbonate PC, ensuring crystal clear transparency, high dimensional accuracy, and zero impurities, perfect for wearable electronics. Key advantages for smartwatch applications. 1. Optical-grade material. Uses imported German-Japanese PC resin with medical-grade ISO 10993 compliance and UV-resistant properties. Light transmittance 92%. Haze 1% SGS optical performance reports available to precision molding technology. Produced in 1000 class clean rooms with Sumitomo all-electric injection molding machines. Plus or minus 0.01 mm tolerance. Mold flow analysis optimization minimizes flow marks, bubbles, achieving 99.2% yield rate. 3. SMARTWATCH specific enhancements. Annealing process eliminates internal stress, ensuring long-term durability past 85 degrees Celsius. 85% RH aging test for 72 hours. Optional, nano-hardening coating increases surface hardness. 28H pencil hardness and improves scratch resistance by 300%. 4. Functional customization supports LDS laser direct structuring for integrated antenna components. Offers AR anti-reflective coating and anti-fingerprint coating for enhanced USABILITY 5. Rapid prototyping and mass production. End-to-end service from 3D printing gives mold development, gives mass production, fastest mold trial in 15 days. IQC incoming inspection plus AOI visual inspection with PPAP documentation available. Recommended focus areas for smartwatch brands. Optical clarity for sensor windows. Chemical resistance against sweat and long-term wear. Impact resistance for drop testing. Cnmoulding has supplied transparent components for Garmin, Amosfit, and other wearable brands, including TW's charging cases and smart rings. Request a free DFM analysis by submitting your 3D design files.